ZeroKey is a indoor positioning company. Kind of our claim to fame is we do really high accuracy positioning over a wide area. So you're talking factory, warehouse, distribution center, shopping center. We can do millimeter level tracking in that area. One of our biggest sectors is automotive manufacturing. We do a lot of process optimization and automation on the assembly line. Some of the other areas we're in is also augmented reality for training in industrial and commercial settings. And as well, we do a lot of supply chain management in warehouses and distribution centers. So essentially we have this tiny little sensor here. This little sensor, once our infrastructure is deployed in a given environment, we can track it to a millimeter cubed in that environment, end to end. And with that, each sensor is uniquely identified. So if you attach this to a product such as a pallet, box, you name it, you can see where each of those products are in real time in 3D across your entire environment, whether it's a warehouse or distribution center. One of the great things about this technology is you can cover almost an unlimited area just by adding more and more of our sensors. They form a sort of mesh network. So you can think of it kind of like GPS satellites in the sky. By adding more, you add more coverage area. One of the other unique things about this technology too is that it sets up very easily. So after you deploy these sensors in the environment, they do an auto calibration. So you don't have to go around surveying where they are. These sensors will actually figure out specifically where they are located in wherever you've deployed them. This is pretty unique in terms of positioning technologies. If you have wide area technologies, usually you're talking about accuracy on the order of meters. This will do millimeter level accuracy. So that's pretty unique. Nothing else is like that when you're talking about wide area coverage. One of our biggest advantages is the size of the technology. So this little sensor here, it's, roughly the size of a dime, is all you need to track an object in 3D space. So that's pretty unique because most other sensors are either very large, such as some types of optical trackers and stuff like that. But this one, just this little guy is all you need.